Hi kids! Welcome to another cocktail hour. I'm Krista and that's Kevin. And today we're gonna do something a little fun. So we did a sparkling margarita that kind of has transformed into what it is today. And so I wanted to share that recipe with you because it's kind of perfect for like summer. You're gonna need a shaker and you're gonna need some of these ingredients. So what are they? His is a closer to a margarita, tropically kind of drink with tequila in it. But for me, I'm not a huge tequila drinker. I mean, I guess I do in the occasional margaritas, but if I had my choice, it's gonna be spiced rum. It's my drink. So mine's kind of turned more into a sex on the beach kind of thing. Kitty, thank you, quiet on set. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with 100% pineapple juice. And we're gonna need 3 ounces of this. I happen to have a jigger that has 2 ounces on one side, 1 ounce on the other, so I'm using that. But what would be a lot easier is if you used just a low measuring cup. Put it into a shaker. Then we have our rum. I happen to have some Captain Morgan pineapple rum, which is my new favorite, so shocker. And this we're gonna do 1 ounce. Whoops. 1 ounce-ish. Put it on your lid. There's already ice in this cup. Okay, so now we're gonna shake. The tin is very cold, so that's how I know that it's good. All right, we're gonna fill up our glass that's already got ice in it. So I've got pineapple on top of pineapple. I said this originated from a margarita recipe, so we want something that's a little lemon limey. We happen to have these little tiny lemon lime sodas, but I think you could use something like a lemon lime sparkling water if you wanted to keep the calories down. I might try that next, but I haven't tried it yet, so don't take my word for it. This is just what we've been using and it's been working great. But we want that little bubbly for the effervescence to make it a sparkling margarita. We're gonna fill up our glass. Normally our glasses would take one full one of these, but I'm using fancy special glasses so you can see through it tonight. Put a tiny little bit of this grenadine on top just to kind of give it color and a little tropicalness. And then if you were doing tequila, here is where I would also float it with some Grand Marnier, but I'm not gonna do that because I've got pineapple, rum, cherry. Actually, that might be pretty good. What the hell? Float it with a little bit of Grand Marnier. Garnish with a cherry or 2 if you've been good. Give it a little taste here. Perfect for those hot summer nights that you just want something a little sweet, little bubbly, little something next to the pool or the beach. Open containers. I'm not endorsing that. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel. While you're there, click the little bell saying you want to be notified every time you do one of these. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Want to try, kitty? She says no.